Elephant money farms are live. Zero impermanent loss on blue chips and stablecoins. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. Your first time here, I like to cover a lot of different projects on this channel. From the high-risk degen projects, to blue chips, to the low market cap gems that could possibly do a 25 to 50x in a bull run. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like below. They're free and it would help out the channel tremendously. Thank you. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, elephant money farms. I've been waiting for this for a while and I'm really excited about it, and I'm going to show you why. So if we go to elephant.money and we go down here to farm blue chips. Okay, if we go down to the farms, there's going to be quite a few different ones. Some of them are going to be blue chips paired with trunk. Other ones are going to be stablecoins paired with trunk. The difference in these farms than other farms are that they're lossless. And here's a description of what that means. Elephant money farms implement lossless saver pools. Unlike traditional liquidity pools that can suffer from impermanent loss, our dual staking model ensures the coins you deposit are the coins you can withdraw. Furthermore, even when the markets suffer a downturn, your yield is calculated based on 2 times your trunk position. You can earn even more long-term by staking when trunk is below peg. For example, if you were to put in $100 worth of BUSD, you would have to pair it with $100 worth of trunk. If the price of trunk went up during your staking period, and when you go to withdraw, you still get back your $100 worth of BUSD, but your $100 worth of trunk might have gone up in value. So when you pull that out, your trunk might be worth quite a bit more. So to summarize, there's no impermanent loss. If you put in 1,000 XRP, when you exit the farm, you'll get 1,000 XRP back. If you put in 500 Dogecoins, you're gonna get 500 Doge back. So there's a couple other things down here which are cool. It says not your keys, not your crypto. Elephant Money Farms takes this into extreme with our trustless vault technology. Only your keys can deposit and withdraw directly to an immutable vault. Funds are stored dedicated asset silos, owned and whitelisted only to the vault. There is zero administrative access to funds in the vault, which is awesome, especially considering what's going on with centralized exchanges. That you know that your funds are going directly into the vault and directly out of the vault when you withdraw. One more point is that the APRs on these farms can go all the way up to 125% if trunk gets back to peg. The lowest they can go is 12.5%. So between 12.5 and 125%. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and deposit into one of the farms. I'm going to deposit into the USDC trunk farm. So I'm going to hit select. I'm going to hit approve to approve the farm. We'll hit confirm. It's going to cost 10 cents. Once it's approved, then I can hit deposit. And if we go down here, it's going to show that I have $45.72 worth of USDC. Then I'm going to pair it with trunk. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit max. So I'm going to deposit all the USDC and then hit deposit and then hit confirm. Okay, it went through. It shows that I have deposited $45.72 worth of USDC, and it paired it with 128.335 trunk tokens. So if I were to withdraw and trunk went up in value, I would still get back the 128.335 trunk, but they could be worth quite a bit more than $45.72. Okay, next, we're getting paid rewards in the trunk token. So what should we do with these trunk tokens? We definitely should not sell them until trunk has gotten back to peg. So there's multiple things we can do. First one is we can go over to the trunk stampede and we can deposit them. Deposit them here and we can get 35.223% APR directly on your trunk tokens. We can also go back to the farms and you can do what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I am going to start to stack blue chips. I think the market might have another leg down, but after that, I think it is going to be very close to a bottom. And since we're not getting any impermanent loss on here, I'm going to start stacking matic. Probably just matic on here, to be honest with you. Maybe some BNB. But I'm definitely going to stack some matic tokens and some BNB. Maybe your flavor is ETH. Maybe you're an ETH fan. Maybe you're an XRP fan. This is a real simple way to stack blue chips. So that's what I'm going to do with my trunk rewards. I'm going to get some fresh matic tokens and possibly some BNB and just start stacking blue chips. One last way, which is not ideal for the protocol, but is pretty good, is if you split up the trunk. So if you sold half the trunk to whatever other blue chip or stablecoin that you wanted, and split it in half and then just inserted it back into the farm. So if you got a bunch of trunk rewards and you sold half of it for USDC, selling half would be better than selling all. So you could do that and then deposit back into the farm. The best way for all of us is if we play the game right. And if we play the game right, then we all win. Because if somebody's selling all their trunk, it's hurting everybody. So if we all just take a little bit of profit here and there, and then reinsert most of the trunk back into the protocol, then in the long run, we all win. And once we get back to peg, then we can take more profit, and then we'll be up more than a 2x on our initial investment on the trunk token itself. Also, I want to take a look at the chart real quick. We're at 36.8 cents right now. So if you were to buy right now and it gets back to peg, you're doing almost a 3x. So yeah, I bought quite a bit. I'm gonna kind of hold where I'm at. I'm going to take my trunk rewards and I'm just gonna insert them back into the farms with blue chips. Elephant farms, they look good. Definitely a new innovative way of doing a yield farm with no impermanent loss. Okay, as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.